Peekaboo, I see you hiding behind the big red shoe. You were gone, but now you're back. Let's play again, no time to nap. Peekaboo, where'd you go? Are you behind the pillow? I looked high and I looked low. Found you giggling, don't you know? Peekaboo, you're so sly, hiding under grandma's pie. I lift the lid and what a treat. It's not dessert, it's tiny feet. Peekaboo, behind the chair, is that your little teddy bear? No, it's you with a cheeky grin. Let's go play this game again. Peekaboo, behind the tree, are you playing hide and seek with me? I tiptoe close, I give a shout. You pop up and laugh right out. Peekaboo, in the morning sun, wake up sleepyhead, let's have fun. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Where you're hiding, nobody knows. Peekaboo, with my baby brother, now he's giggling with our mother. He hides his face, then peeks through, smiles so big, and says, Peekaboo, inside a box with silly hats and funny socks. Is that you in a wizard hat? Yes it is, imagine that. Peekaboo, behind the door, I just saw you crawl the floor. You can't hide for very long, come out and sing this Peekaboo song. Peekaboo, on the bouncy bed, blankets over your little head. I sneak up quiet and shout yoo-hoo. You jump up laughing, I see you. Peekaboo, with the puppet show, they pop up high, then duck down low. Monkey giggles and lion too, they all say peekaboo to you. Peekaboo, in the bathtub splash, rubber ducky makes a dash. I close my eyes and count to 2, then open wide and peekaboo. Peekaboo, with your stuffed bear, he's got ribbons in his hair. You gave him hugs, now he hugs you. He plays peekaboo too. Peekaboo, before bedtime, in cozy jammies you look fine. One last game and off to sleep, with dreams of peekaboo so sweet. Peekaboo, our game is done. We laughed and played, it was so fun. Close your eyes, say nighty night. More peekaboo when it's daylight.